Mandaue Children's Choir, 10 years of good harvest, 10 years of world-class artistry. We started as a school-based choir, the Mandaue School for the Arts Children's Choir. They were formed because of a competition called National Music Competition for Young Artists. And just 2 months of training, they emerged as the national champion. So it started there. It was way back 2008 that I left the school, and the children keep on coming and training with me. So we finally made it into a community-based choir, and we formed the Mandaue Children's Choir. With the blessing of God, we won major awards, many awards. These young ones, this new addition to the choir, they still continue the high standard singing. They work hard for it, and they are bound for Europe next year. It's exciting in a way because this is our first.
Hi, my name is Sher Estelle Angeline Lozada, and I am singing Pasko sa Amoa. I like the song so much because it is fun to sing and it reminds me of home.
I'm very much excited because I work with the great in Cebu, like Jude Gitamondo, Joey Cabusas, Melvin Corpin, our choral arranger, Melvin Querido. I hope we can give justice to the arrangements and the compositions.
Hi, I'm Kita.
Saray here.
Rubini.
Yeah.
Hi,
Gabby. And we're all part of
the Mandaue Children's Choir.
Our experience here in the recording has been a mixture of emotions. Personally, I used to hate it, but then I started to love it because, well, it felt kind of good to be able to hear yourself sing nice.
At the beginning, you feel tired whenever you have to record and repeat until you get it perfect. But when you hear the accomplished result, it gives you a sense of achievement.
Sometimes it's just tiring because it's like you stay up late and then like you have something next to
It takes long hours just preparing one song. You just need to push the children to work very hard for perfection. With the children, recording is even new to them. First recording nila, nabuguhan pa sila. But makalingaw kay ang innocence sa mga bata is really there. Special kay na siya. Ma-capture na nimo, and then they feel fulfilled because kanang pindot ila madungog after. I'm excited with this song, and I think this will become a good song that Cebuanos can be proud of.
Guys, don't forget to watch out for our first single, Pasko sa Amoa.
Don't forget! Oh yeah, don't forget.
Don't forget.
It's great.